Jada. This is Jada speaking, your friendly customer service agent. I see you calling our home buying line. How can I help you today? So, you are interested in buying a home. That's really cool. Well, my job is basically just to explain to you how to go about doing it. It is pretty easy, but there are a lot of steps. Now, before I go any further, I need to tell you that I am not a financial advisor or an attorney, so I cannot give out advice, okay? Great. Now, did you have any specific questions for me? What is a home mortgage? Well, in the simplest of terms, a home mortgage is a loan that you would apply for from a lender towards the purpose of your home. You would pay it off in a predetermined amount of time for a fixed or non-fixed interest rate. While you lived in the home you have the mortgage on, more often than not, you will need to make a down payment on the home in order to get a loan. Does that make sense? Okay. You would like an example? Alright. Well, let us assume I want to buy myself a little home for $20,000. What I would do is reach out to a lender. I would apply for a home mortgage, put 20% of the home's value down as a payment, and if approved, would pay off the rest on a monthly basis. I would probably use a 10-year term on it if possible, and have the home completely paid for in 10 years. Then the only payments left would be taxes, because Uncle Sam likes his money and utilities. Is that a bit clearer? Who would I recommend as a lender? Well, I am not really allowed to answer that, but honestly, it depends on a lot of different things. I will say that the top two categories of lenders are banks and credit unions. But do a bit of shopping around, because some banks and credit unions, for example, look at your financial history differently. Was there anything else I could answer?